Within hours of your first application, your skin begins detoxifying in ways that expensive spa treatments can't match. Within days, blackheads you've had for years start melting out of your pores. Within weeks, hair is growing in areas where nothing worked before. But here's what's shocking. Most people don't know these two simple kitchen ingredients work together. And the final benefit? It reaches your brain itself, clearing away years of mental fog and sluggish thinking. In the next 10 minutes, you'll discover 9 transformations that happen when you combine castor oil and baking soda. Here's the first shocking thing that happens within hours of your first application. Your skin begins a detoxification process that's more powerful than any expensive spa treatment. The castor oil soaks into your pores while the baking soda creates an environment that draws out impurities, clearing blockages from your skin and hair follicles alike. Within hours, those small bumps under your skin start disappearing, your skin tone becomes more even, and that dull, tired look fades away. But if you think skin detoxification is impressive, wait until you see what this combination does to hair follicles that haven't grown hair in years. The second shocking benefit hits your hair follicles like nothing you've experienced before. Castor oil increases blood flow to hair follicles that have stopped growing, delivering the nutrients they need to restart production. Many notice baby hairs sprouting within 2 to 4 weeks of consistent use. Your existing hair becomes thicker and stronger too. But here's what really shocks people. This works on eyebrows and eyelashes too. Apply a tiny amount with a clean mascara wand, and within 2 to 4 weeks, you'll have thicker, fuller lashes. Your eyebrows fill in naturally, even in areas where hair hasn't grown for years. The third shocking thing happens so fast it catches people off guard. Within days, you'll see blackheads literally melting out of your pores like tiny dark plugs being pushed up from underneath your skin. The castor oil dissolves years of hardened sebum, while the baking soda creates a bubbling action that forces debris to the surface. People describe watching their reflection in shock as blackheads they've had for years suddenly appear raised and ready to slide out with the gentlest touch. No squeezing, no painful extraction tools, no red marks afterward. The plugs emerge so cleanly that your pores immediately shrink back to their normal size, leaving skin that looks airbrushed with pores so clean they're practically invisible. What happens next is where this gets even more shocking. Here's where the combination shows its potential power. The fourth shocking benefit is how it may help calm inflammation throughout your body, not just on your skin. Ricinoleic acid is a compound in castor oil. Studies suggest it fights inflammation differently than over-the-counter medications. Those with conditions like eczema, psoriasis, and dermatitis often experience improvements within days of starting this treatment. The angry red patches may calm down, the itching often decreases, and the skin begins healing naturally. Many people also report the benefits extend beyond skin issues, potentially helping with joint pain, muscle soreness, and digestive discomfort. The baking soda may help balance your body's pH levels, creating an environment where inflammation has difficulty thriving. This could explain why people report feeling better overall, not just seeing improvements in their skin. The fifth shocking benefit happens when you apply this mixture to your abdomen before bed. Over time, users find their digestive system completely resets itself. Bloating, chronic constipation, and digestive sluggishness start clearing up faster than expensive probiotics or digestive enzymes ever delivered. The castor oil soaks through your skin and stimulates your digestive system. Your digestion speeds up, bloating goes away, your metabolism increases, nutrient absorption improves, and that persistent belly bloat finally flattens. But what happens next with natural exfoliation will shock you even more. The sixth benefit transforms your skin's texture in ways that expensive chemical peels can't match. The baking soda acts as a gentle but effective exfoliant, removing dead skin cells that have been dulling your complexion. The castor oil follows immediately behind, delivering deep moisturization to the fresh, healthy skin underneath. This creates an exfoliation process that's both thorough and nourishing, something expensive chemical peels can't match. Your skin doesn't get that tight, dry feeling because this combination actually nourishes while it exfoliates. Within 2 to 4 weeks, many discover their skin looks years younger. Fine lines soften, age spots begin fading, and that healthy glow returns naturally. Your makeup goes on smoother, and you might need less coverage because your skin tone becomes more even. But the antimicrobial power of this combination will absolutely shock you. The seventh shocking benefit is the combination's potential ability to fight harmful bacteria, fungi, and other microorganisms that cause skin problems. The castor oil contains natural compounds that may help target bacteria responsible for acne, while the baking soda creates an environment that many harmful microorganisms can't survive in. This is why people see improvements in skin problems that other treatments couldn't fix. Fungal infections like athlete's foot and nail fungus get better within 2 to 4 weeks. Even stubborn yeast infections improve. The combination doesn't just treat the symptoms, it kills the harmful bacteria and fungi. This stops the problem from coming back. But here's what's really impressive. While it destroys harmful bacteria, it doesn't disrupt your skin's natural beneficial bacteria the way harsh chemical treatments do. Your skin's natural protective barrier actually becomes stronger and more resilient. People with recurring skin infections find that the problems stop coming back because their skin develops better natural defenses against future invasions. And speaking of pain relief, what this does for your joints and muscles is remarkable. The eighth benefit reaches deep into your muscles and joints. When applied to sore muscles or aching joints, some people report the combination helps reduce swelling and discomfort. The baking soda may help balance the tissue environment while the castor oil reaches deep into your muscles and joints to provide relief. People with arthritis, muscle strains, and chronic pain conditions often feel initial relief within hours, with deeper improvements developing over 2 to 4 weeks of consistent use. Better circulation brings fresh nutrients and oxygen to tissues, while helping remove metabolic waste like lactic acid and inflammatory compounds that cause pain and stiffness. Regular use creates cumulative benefits that build over time. Your joints become more flexible, your muscles recover faster from exercise, and chronic pain conditions that have bothered you for years start improving naturally. But the final benefit about your scalp will tie everything together perfectly. The ninth and final shocking benefit reaches the deepest level, your brain itself. This combination creates a circulation revolution beneath your scalp that transforms not just your hair, but your mental clarity and energy levels. Within days, dormant hair follicles that haven't produced hair in years suddenly spring back to life. But here's what's truly remarkable. The increased blood flow doesn't stop at your scalp. It floods your brain with fresh oxygen and nutrients, clearing away years of mental fog and sluggish thinking. Users describe feeling their mind wake up as chronic headaches disappear and concentration sharpens. Areas of your scalp that felt numb or tight suddenly come alive with warmth and sensitivity. This isn't just about hair growth. It's about unlocking your brain's full potential while your scalp becomes the powerhouse that amplifies every single benefit you've experienced. Here's the moment you've been waiting for. Walk to your kitchen right now and grab these 2 simple ingredients. Mix 1 tablespoon of cold-pressed castor oil with 1 teaspoon of baking soda in a small bowl. You'll watch the mixture transform into a smooth, creamy paste. Apply this paste to clean skin before bed. Cover with a soft cloth and let your body work its magic while you sleep. You now know 9 shocking things that happen when castor oil and baking soda work together, benefits that expensive treatments don't want you to discover. Think about where you'll be in 30 days. Your skin could be detoxified and glowing. Those blackheads that have bothered you for years could be gone forever. Hair could be growing in areas where nothing worked before. Your digestive system could be reset and working perfectly. The joint pain that slows you down could be melting away, all from 2 simple ingredients that cost less than a fancy coffee. But here's the reality. Most people will watch this video, feel excited for a few minutes, then do nothing. They'll bookmark it, tell themselves they'll try it later, and 6 months from now, they'll still have the same problems. Don't be one of those people. Here's exactly what to do tonight. Mix 1 tablespoon of cold-pressed castor oil with 1 teaspoon of baking soda until it forms a smooth paste. Apply a small amount to your forearm first to test your skin's reaction. If no irritation occurs within 24 hours, apply the mixture to your target area before bed. Cover with a clean cloth and let it work overnight. Remember, this information is for educational purposes only. If you have any health conditions or concerns, consult with your healthcare provider before trying new treatments. You have 2 choices right now. You can close this video and go back to living with the same skin problems, the same digestive issues, the same aches and pains. Or you can walk to your kitchen, grab these 2 ingredients, and start your transformation tonight. Your body is waiting. Your skin is ready to heal. The question isn't whether this works. The question is whether you'll give yourself the chance to find out.